Dear student, class 7, today I already delivered a lecture. Now I'm going to discuss chapter 7's MCQ and CQ. At first, I'm going to discuss multiple choice question. In which season does river erosion occurs in Bangladesh? The answer will be monsoon. Causes of river erosion in Bangladesh are answer will be look 1 and 2. Look, read the following passage and answer question 3 and 4. Rupsha, a girl of Cox's was home and she was listening to radio. She, along with her family members, were worried to hear the latest weather warning on the radio and started for the shelter. What kind of warning did Rupsha hear on the radio? Actually, the answer will be cyclone. A number. Look, Rupsha was worried because what is the reason Rupsha was worried? The answer will be which? The answer will be 1 and 3. The whole area may be submerged, and number 3, the time to go to shelter. Creative question. Now I'm going to discuss creative question. Jarif was away struck as he came across a news item in a daily newspaper on 23 September 2011. Climate is changing due to excess worldwide emission of a specific gas. Consequently, countries situated near the sea surface like Bangladesh and Maldives are now at risk. Jarif decided that this was a disaster for which human activities are responsible. He was worried. Now, at first question, look, in which region Bangladesh is situated? You know, Bangladesh is situated in tropical region. Number B, very very important. This creative. Explain effect of monsoon in the climate of Bangladesh. The climate of Bangladesh is temperate. That is to say, it is not very hot or not very cold here. It is located near the sea. The intensity of winter and summer is not severe due to the influence of monsoon. Heavy rainfall occurs in Bangladesh by the influence of monsoon. Number C. What kind of risk does the stem uh, predict for Bangladesh? Explain. Because of the impact of the greenhouse gas, the temperature of Earth has been increasing abnormally, for which ice of the polar region is melting quickly. As a result, the sea level is increasing, the amount of landmass and forest area is decreasing. As a result, developing country like Bangladesh is facing different types of natural calamity. um, calamities, among them cyclone, tidal wave, river erosion, drought, uh, cold wave, tornado, nor'wester, etc. are noteworthy. Noteworthy. Besides, Bangladesh has the risk of earthquake. Number D question. Human activities only have caused the disaster described in the stream. Give your opinion in favor of your for the statement. Actually, the greenhouse gas is mostly responsible for the climate change of the world. Because of the impact of the greenhouse gas, the temperature of Earth has been increasing abnormally. Carbon dioxide, methane, these are the greenhouse gas. Nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon are combined called greenhouse gas. The spread of these gases excessively in the atmosphere increase the temperature of the earth. Human activities are more responsible for the increase of the gases, greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. The quantity of carbon dioxide is maximum among the greenhouse gases created by man. Carbon dioxide is produced from generating power, burning fuel of the vehicles, smoke, and brick fields. At present, the quantity of transmitted greenhouse gas has been increased by 80% to 90% in the previous. Another reason of the increase of greenhouse gas is the indiscriminate cutting down trees and destruction of hills. So, from aforesaid discussion, we can say that human activities are more responsible for climate change and the degradation of the environment. So, student, the next class I will give you some HW, this chapter related HW. Then now I am discussing some objectives or MCQ. The natural condition of a particular area of a certain time called what? Weather. The average weather of 30 to 40 years of an climate area climate. What do you understand by weather? Natural condition of a particular area of a certain time. And how is the climate of Bangladesh? Temperate. Bangladesh is located in tropical region. What is the nature of the climate of Bangladesh? Not very cold and not very hot. Due to the influence of what the intensity of winter and summer is not severe in Bangladesh, monsoon. Answer will be monsoon. What is the nature of summer of Bangladesh? Warm and rainy. What is the nature of winter of Bangladesh? Dry. Which of the following protect Bangladesh from Siberian snowflow, Himalaya mountain? What is the reason of winter is not long in Bangladesh? Himalaya mountain protect Bangladesh from Siberian snowfall. The temperature of Bangladesh remains in winter 80 to 20 degrees Celsius. From which month summer begins in Bangladesh? April. From which Bengali month summer begins in Bangladesh? Boishakh. In which month the nor'wester occurs in Bangladesh? Summer. In which part of Bangladesh heavy rainfall occurs? Sylhet. In which month river erosion increases in Bangladesh? Rainy season. During the which month, which 2 months cyclone and tidal waves occurs in Bangladesh? April to May, October to November. In which district is the intensity of winter is a very high? Panchakul. Because for this reason here is newly cultivated the organic tea, cause rain is very necessary or useful for tea gardening. What does occurs in the beginning of monsoon flood? What does excessive rainfall occurs? Sylhet. In which season does rainy river erosion occurs? In the rainy season. What type of animal dinosaur is mammoth? And how long the change of weather continued that initiated 6.5 crore years ago, 20 lakh years? What was the main cause of extinction of dinosaur? Change of climate. What is the cause of climate change of ancient time? Volcanic eruption. Due to the which gas the ice of the polar region melting quickly? Greenhouse gas. So student, revise your revise the every line of this chapter, and when I deliver the lecture or HW, please kindly focus it kindly follow it. Thank you very much.